Everybody needs clean air at home, work, or in a car, isn't it? Well, I have a solution for that. I'm Lorena Leonardos, the owner of IONEX company. In past 17 years, we produced many different kinds of ionizers for indoor spaces, cars, vehicles, saunas, and audio studios. IONEXair ionizers are capable of cleaning carcinogenic exhaust particles from the air and thus protecting our lungs, health and well-being. Our product is revolutionary, as it is the only ionizer in the market with such amazing results. People cured of asthma, allergic and high blood pressure without any side effects, simply by inhaling negative ions near the unique carbon brush. We received a lot of awards, published a book about ionization, and we are looking for business partners worldwide to enable everyone having this useful ionizer at home, work or in a car.